Hey guys, I decided to make a vlog about my experience this past weekend selling my art at an event in Las Vegas, as well as how much I made. Okay, so first thing, I woke up at 6 o'clock because usually it takes me about 2 hours to complete a full pinup look, and we had to be at the venue, I want to say no later than 9 o'clock. And yes, I did have my gold patches on because my eyes were incredibly puffy when I woke up. I decided to have some boiled eggs for breakfast, which I did not eat. It's just been a change of plans. So I was supposed to meet my girlfriend at the venue. But she just texted me. Okay, cool. So I was supposed to meet her at the venue. However, I was loading everything in my car and trying to get my canvases in and my easel in. And Trina, she said, girl, you better think again. Try again, baby. That was real cute, but it's not going to work out. I respect my girl. I got to respect my girl, so that's what I did. So I called her, and I'm like, hey, the shit's not fitting in the car. Can you book it over here? And she said yes. So she's on her way. I have all the little things in the car, pretty much, like my prints. I've been running back and forth. My prints, like little drapes and stuff, and I also have like a portable hanger that I'm gonna use for my little setup or whatever. So that's in the car as well. And then the only thing that I need to put in her car is the table, the easel, and some canvases. So yeah, we gonna do it. So they said that we had to be there between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. So by the time we get there, it's probably gonna be like 8:45, which is perfect because we have to unload everything and all of that jazz. So yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up and eat something real quick before we go. I'm not gonna even be able to eat for real, which sucks. But maybe I can get something at the venue. So yeah. So I got ahead and got in the car. It took me about 15 minutes to get to the actual venue from my house, and my girlfriend is riding in her car behind me. Yeah, it was a pretty nice, easy drive. So yeah, we're still in February in Las Vegas, but it's pretty much spring at this point. And when I say it was such a beautiful day, and the area that we were set up at was so freaking adorable. It was so cute. It was like a nice little courtyard. They had a DJ set up, and this is the beginning of the event. This is pretty much where we're setting up and getting everything, ready for the shoppers. Okay, so this is my setup. I was selling my coloring books, my teas, and my prints, as well as some original works. So I wasn't really a fan of my setup because I feel like the more artwork that I make, the more cohesion will be with like my setups and everything. But it didn't really seem too cohesive to me. But it was definitely a learning experience. Next time I will have some really good signage and a more cohesive setup. So as you see here, this is one of my neighbors who was vending, and not to compare myself, but a lot of what I noticed, a lot of the vendors had a nice cohesive look, whether it be the color scheme or their logo, their signage. It was just really, really cohesive and nice. So that's one thing that moving forward, I'm probably going to try to focus on a little bit more. I did do some vending events when I was in my early 20s, but it just wasn't the same vibe. Those weren't really focused on the artwork and focused on vendors. It was more so just like a party vibe. So I definitely feel like moving forward, I want to take it a little bit more seriously. So yeah. So as it got later in the event, a lot of people showed up. A lot of people. Of course, you see some of the people doing some line dances, dancing to the music, and just having a really, really good time, enjoying the day. It was such a good vibe. It was such a good vibe, and nearly everyone, even if they didn't buy anything, they came over to my station to see what I had going on, and also to talk to me and just be nice, which is something that I appreciated for sure. My main goal of this event was to network and to put myself out there. And I think that I was really, really successful in doing so, which really, really made me feel good. I did make some purchases though, which also made me feel good. I had a few people buy some coloring books and some prints. And I also was offering a raffle for a free tattoo, which I did pick a winner for my in-person tattoo raffle. So that was wonderful. So let's go ahead and break down how much I made. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I am still getting used to long form content, so the more you watch, the longer my videos are going to be with better edits. So please bear with me. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and share. Okay, thank you. Bye.